Hi guys, good day. My name is Vince. Today, I received a package for today, and this is the On Veneers. So yeah, I just curious about this kind of stuff, so I ordered it. So first thing first, before you receive your On Veneers, they will send or deliver an impression kit so that they can mold your teeth, and then after that you're going to send them again, and then the technician or the experts from Streamline Dental will customize your teeth to have a new smile. You know guys, my smile is perfect, however I have a gaps just like this one. And that time I used to have braces because I thought that they will fix the gaps. However, if not, it does not fix my gap. So I need a miracle. So On Veneers made my day. So let's check it out. Okay. So what's inside the box? Oh, toothbrush! And then next, so steps. Oh, this is the on. Save it for later. Oh, this is my original teeth. Look! Hi, it's my teeth. Okay, and this one is the paperworks. Oh, and this is the On Clean. So you will see they included some tablets so that you can clean your On Veneers. Okay. The moment of truth. Okay, I'm ready. Seize the moment. Prepare to be an A. So this is my teeth. Let's try the bottom first. So as you can see, guys, they put another tooth because I have a gaps here in this one. Okay, let's check it out. It pop on. It's very tight. It perfectly fit to my teeth. And the top one. So you can see, guys. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Hi guys, it's me. This is my new smile. Thank you, On Veneers, and thank you for revamping my smile. I have a great smile today. Thank you guys. On.